In Farragut, Tennessee, an absolutely stunning home awaits your tour at 217 Candlenut Lane. On an over half-acre parcel, this all-brick estate offers 4 bedrooms and 3 baths for over 3,900 square feet of living area. It's affordable luxury, the perfect place to raise a growing family. As you walk through, note that there are many upgrades that have been integrated into this home. To your right of the foyer, the first of your 4 bedrooms. To your left, this exquisite sitting room, awaiting your customization. Of course, we bring you a spacious great room beneath a vaulted ceiling, offering easy access to the back deck. The chef will certainly appreciate all the features and appointments within your dining and meal prep areas. This formal dining room will accommodate a large table, and the breakfast nook within the bay window is ideal for formal and informal get-togethers. And the kitchen, the product of well-thought-out design with a large island that accommodates a gas cooktop. Solid surface integrates perfectly with the abundance of cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. Your bedrooms on the main and upper floor offer plenty of comfort and styling to family and guests alike. Your master bath features an open shower, dual vanities, and a jet tub. Upstairs, the most inviting media room, living or kids' playroom. It's huge. With professional landscaping throughout, HVAC upgrades and recent window and roof replacements, 217 Candlenut Lane awaits your private tour. Call Sandra Kuzara of Town Country Realtors of East Tennessee direct at 865-680-2147.